Have you ever wondered about the significance of the holy month of Ramzan, also known as Ramadan, and how it shapes the lives of millions around the world? As we delve into this intriguing topic, don't forget to subscribe to Talescape Treasury for more enlightening content. Ramzan, the ninth month of the Islamic calendar, represents a time of fasting, prayer, reflection, and community for Muslims worldwide. It's a pillar of the Islamic faith, lasting 29 to 30 days depending on the lunar cycle. From dawn to sunset, adult Muslims, barring certain exemptions, engage in obligatory fasting. The spiritual rewards earned during this period are believed to multiply, culminating in the joyous celebration of Eid al-Fitr, marking the end of Ramzan. In recent news, the observance of Ramzan has taken on unique dimensions, reflecting the resilience and adaptability of the global Muslim community. Changes in political landscapes, such as the surprising performance of Imran Khan's PTI party in the Pakistani parliamentary elections, have highlighted the perseverance of the faithful in times of adversity. Held amidst economic and security challenges, these elections saw the PTI party overcoming restrictions and allegations of irregularities to secure a significant victory. This event underscores the determination of the Muslim community to participate in the democratic process, even during the holy month of Ramzan. So, what are the key takeaways from our exploration of Ramzan? Firstly, Ramzan is a sacred month of fasting, prayer, reflection, and community for Muslims worldwide. It's a time of heightened spiritual devotion with the potential for multiplied rewards. Secondly, the observance of Ramzan adapts to the changing circumstances of the global Muslim community, reflecting their resilience and perseverance. Lastly, events such as the recent Pakistani elections highlight the commitment of the Muslim community to uphold democratic values, even amidst the spiritual observances of Ramzan. Remember, knowledge is the key to understanding. So keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe to Talescape Treasury for more enlightening content. Until next time, stay curious.